Hello and welcome to Success with Satvik. So today in this video we are going to discuss the string interpolation. So the string interpolation is a process of substituting values of variables into a placeholder in a string. This is similar to the string concatenation, but there is a difference between them. In this method we are not going to use the concatenation symbol. So in this method of string formatting we have the three methods, that is the modulus formatting method, second one is the dot format method, and the third one is the upstring method. So one by one we are going to discuss all the three methods. So let's start with the modulus formatting methods and move to the Python shell. So our first method is the modulus formatting method. In this method, for if we want to insert a string s1 is equal to, let's take the channel name Success with Satvik, and we want to insert this string into another string, that is print welcome to, and in this place we want to add this string s, and which string we want to insert? We want to insert the string s1. When we press hit the enter, we are getting welcome to Success with Satvik as the output. So this is the first method, that is the modulus formatting method. The second method which we are going to discuss is the dot format method. This is print ram is a, we will add capital ram is a good. Now we, in this place we want to insert, in this placeholder we want to insert a value, that is the boy. So what this curly brackets does is the value we want to insert will be inserted in this placeholder. We will add dot format, and we will add boy here. First we will add space and we will add boy here. When we hit the enter, first we want to insert here. So we are getting Ram is a good boy as the output. So in dot format method there are multiple ways of doing it. So the first one is by the index number you can insert the variable in the placeholder. So first is by index number. Ram is, now we want to insert three strings here, that is a good boy. We will use dot format method. For example, we have three values which we want to insert, that is the good, second one is the boy, and the third one is the A. So at this position we want to insert A. What is the index number of A? The index number of A is 2. At this position we want to insert good, index number of good is 0, and in this position we want to insert boy whose index number is 1. When we press enter, we are getting Ram is a good boy as the output. The other method is by assigning the variables. Print Ram is a, we want to insert three strings here, dot format. We will assign variable A is equal to good, add space, B is equal to boy, and C is equal to A. At this position we want the variable C, at this position we want variable A, and this position we want variable V. What we get as the output, we are getting Ram is a good boy as a output. So this was all for the dot format method, and the last method that we are going to discuss is the upstring method. For example, we have a string name s is equal to Ram. So we want to print first we will, this is a f string method, we will add f. Now we will add his name is. In the placeholder we will add the variable name which we want to insert. So we are getting his name is Ram as a output. I will show you one more example of the f string method. We have two variables, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10. We want print. We use f string method f. What we want in the first placeholder, we want a. Now we want plus. We want the variable b is equal to, what we want a plus b. When we hit the enter, we are getting 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So today in this video we discuss the three methods of the string interpolation. The first method is the modulus formatting method, second method is the dot format method, and the third method is the f string method. I hope all these three methods are clear to you. So this was all for today's video. Thanks for watching.